Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to rotate your text in Microsoft Excel. So firstly select your text. Now to rotate in this home tab, here you will see this option AB. Rotate your text, click on this drop down and here you will see some option angle like this. To see properly you have to change the size or have to make height of cells bigger. And another way, angle clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, and another option, rotate text down. So first letter will start from here and up. You will see first letter will start from this down side. So from down to up direction for this text. And also you can format cell alignment. Don't see what you are looking for. Check out the full set of cell alignment options. So just format cells. And here you will see proper your degree. So you can rotate as your need. Then click on OK. Horizontal, you can see center. Vertical, you can see the center, bottom, justify. Then click on OK, like this. So these all options for to rotate text in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.